Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're gonna be looking at is Bitcoin doing? Will Bitcoin drop? Now, if you're catching this stream live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You hit the like button and the bell. That way, you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links have gone out. They're going to be pinned here on top of the chat. How's it going, guys? So, as I said last time on Discord, I had some kind of weird cough. And I got like a not like a flu, like influenza or anything like that. Not too heavy, like a cold. Then the cough lasted forever, so I'm still coughing a bit, not a lot. And I just been feeling really tired lately. I'm not sure why. I'm just dealing with a lot of things right now. So yeah, I just been, between that and not feeling up to up to par, and also last couple days I wanted to come and stream, and then it was really not a lot happening on the market. Yeah, it's really not a lot happening for the market. Just Bitcoin stagnating, it's consolidating sideways, it's dropping from when we had the bearish divergence. So really not a lot, right? Not a lot to talk about. And so market's not pumping. Just in general, conditions are bland, and it's just kind of being like whatever, and I don't want to come in and just do a boring stream. I do want to talk about stuff, and there's stuff happening. I don't think there's really going to be a lot of stuff happening today still, but let's get going through the markets and see what's going on. CBA, what's up, dude? Andrew, how's it going? Scrog, Morton, bring facts. Good evening, and yeah, some weird tough, dude. Anyways, we're looking for the bearish divergence here where we had it when we came here on Wednesday, 15th of February. Have we not been here since the 15th? Wow. Yeah, about 2 weeks. So since here, we did rally a little bit more. Still, you had the bearish divergence. We're already looking for it here. Look at that. Boom. Managed to manifest. And also here again, from this point, whatever we want on this chart, we're going to negative. So now we're going to positive momentum. And again, that bearish divergence was there. We're already looking for it. We already knew there was a possibility that it could play out, right? We knew there was a possibility that it could play out. So, with that said, I'm not surprised to see that we're moving down. Now the question is there anything that would suggest that we could move up? There is hidden bullish divergence that is starting to develop. I think that's the only thing that we're gonna have developing here on the daily. Again, it just goes to here. That's why we're stagnating, right? We're going sideways here after we hit that divergence, hidden divergence. That's it. Really not a lot. Really not a lot. And I just really wish the market was doing something more interesting that we could talk about. It just isn't. Let's go check out Bitcoin. We're going to see the same story, right? We had the bearish divergence. We were looking to anchor it here on the 13th or whenever this day was. I can't remember when was the last time we were here. This is the 13th back here. So we probably did come in on the 15th, on the 19th or so. Yeah. Cool. Divergence still there. Bearishness. Yay. Bearish divergence. I don't even know when we came last time, but bearish divergence, moving down on that. Yeah, no surprise, at resistance, right? 24,600, 24,960. Failed to get above that target. We wicked the 25,000, but we're unable to sustain it. Yeah, go figure, right? Go figure. Hidden divergence, potential for action. The upside, maybe stagnation, and that's where we're at, right? That is where we're at here. I'm gonna have to close this thing. Getting the whole time. There we go. All right. So that is it, dude. All right. War, what's up, dude? How's it going? God bless, man. So hidden divergence, that's it. Potential for a movement up. We're getting it. We're failing to get above resistance at 20,586. That's it. I mean, we already looked for the bearish divergence. We had it here on the 13th when we were talking about it. We're already looking for it. We knew it was a possibility. I talked about the fact that we're going to get to areas of key resistance, and we're probably unable to get above it again. 25,000 psychological resistance as well, and unable to break that zone. No surprises. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, last time we were here on the 4-hour, I think, or yeah, 13. We were looking for that action to upside again. Here, look. On the 16th, bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. Since then, unable to get higher than the previous high, right? So really, that's it. I mean, we already looked for this stuff. Let's see what's going on here in the short term. All right, so it's 154 negative. That's 132 negative. That is slightly less negative. And from one island to the next, we have some strong bullish divergence. So potential for action to the upside, right? Yeah, let's look like we're gonna go up. I'm not sure we're gonna go up, dudes. I'm not sure we're gonna go up yet. Reason for that is we have the bullish divergence. We rallied, failed twice, failed again. We're getting above the 20, but not on like a pump. We just having to break above it and be above it when it opened, and we've been holding it, but unable to get above. Ultimately, 20,586, right? So not a lot happening since. Right? Again, that bullish divergence, that's it. We don't have it against the RSI. It's just against the MACD. Not seeing anything else bearish happening, so potential fraction to the upside. This is the last thing we have. Hopefully we can run on it. Hopefully we can break 22,186. If we don't, we're looking for another potential movement down. One quick second. Alrighty, I'm back. Sorry about that. Man, it's been getting hot this here in Mexico City, man. I've been sitting here at the computer all day, and I've just been like sweating, dude. It's crazy how hot it's been getting. It's not like super hot, it's just hotter than what it used to be. All right, so that's it for Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And on the 1 hour chart, obviously we can see that stagnation that we were talking about, right? Not real movement, everything from here on forwards, it's higher, right? So less negative momentum, that's good. And then everything from here, it's about the same level or lower. So we're really not doing a lot. That's it. There's really not a look at here on the Bitcoin 1 hour. Maybe some hidden bearish, and that will be about it. I'm not even sure, man. I'm gonna have to like really double check here. Yeah, but like, so we're closing here at this level, moving sideways, and we're moving higher. So not even, man, not even, right? Medium, weak bearish. I think that's the only thing we can go about, right? We're moving sideways here in the price. That sideways motion there, and we're coming in lower. That's the only thing we can have. Like, it's like weak bearish. Bollinger Bands turn to horizontal lines. I know. That's what they're looking like. Again, tightness of the Bollinger Bands, volatility is out of the market in the 4 hour. That means that we could be expecting a wild move to come. But the daily is still super wide, so not really sure here about the move, right? Again, not really a lot going on. Since we were last here, I talked about the bearishness. Talked about the bearishness is there. That's it, right? So let's check out Ethereum. Thank you guys that sent me messages to check out on how it's going. So, yeah, let's keep rolling, man. Although Ethereum has moved down, we can see, right, that the bearish divergence that we're looking for here, it still managed to play. And finally, from here, ultimately, right, the previous high here. So just like Bitcoin, rid of that bearish divergence. All right, now we're breaking below 1,674. We're still holding better than Bitcoin, I think. We're sitting at 1,576. And I'm thinking we're gonna have about the same here. Let's see. Some here. Nope, still slightly higher. So yeah, no hidden divergence here. Wow. So Ethereum's not really doing anything since it last had bearish divergence. I think it's just gonna follow Bitcoin, but it's holding on a little bit better. I think that's why we're not having that divergence yet. We would have dropped here a little bit more, maybe. We could have created that hidden divergence against the RSI. But it's just holding on a little bit better than Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin right now, 0.15% to the upside, Ethereum 0.63. So again, Ethereum holding on a little bit better, right? For our chart. Lower low, more negative momentum, slightly higher. All right, so bullish divergence here against the RSI. Not bad, right? Bullish divergence strong. We're not getting the rally. We're still below 20. We got above the 20 now, but we're still below 20 and just failing miserably. Oh, nothing bearish. We just have the bullish divergence in the 4 hour that should indicate action to the upside. We're getting tightness of the Bollinger Bands again. Expansive move should be coming in. Neutral at 47.98. So really, yeah, we could be going for 1,674 if we wanted to. That would be the target for Ethereum. Have Bitcoin rounds. And the 1 hour again, flat line. I like Bitcoin. So same story, I think. High, lower high. High on the other side. Slightly higher, some hidden divergence here on the 1 hour chart. And probably part of the reason that we got this small drop here. Like I said, not really seeing anything that wows me or it's super exciting here in the market. And that's what I said when I started the stream, and it still holds. I'm not seeing anything that is just, you know, hidden divergence moving down, bouncing on nothingness here. Maybe the 4 hour bullishness. That's what we have, but you know, really not doing a lot, right? And that's exactly what we discussed. Like it would, me coming in tonight, you know, besides us chatting and chilling and hanging out, makes no difference into what the market is doing. It's doing nothing. It's still doing nothing. So yeah, it's gonna be a chill stream. I think that's tonight's stream. That should be tonight's stream title. Chill stream. It's the chilleth of streamings. How you guys doing? Let me know. I haven't heard from you guys in a while. So from a lot of you guys in a while. Please do let me know how you guys doing. I am intrigued. I want to know if you guys are okay. How you doing, you know, health-wise and everything. Please comment. What is up, Elon? The Elon Musk. the facts. Says he's doing well. He's in fixing the truck. That's awesome, dude. I'm glad to hear you're doing okay. Hopefully your truck stays fixed for a long time. Man, it's just I just how I've been feeling most of the time lately. I just been feeling really tired. Hey, we're moving to. Alright, we're moving to a new house. Nice, man. Nice. I'm glad to hear. Horse is doing alright. That's doing well. Got new students. Trading has been. I know, trading's slow, man. Trading slow. If you're trading crypto, it's slow. Elon says all good, family's healthy. Right. You're gonna have your house for sale this month. That's awesome, dude. Congrats. I hope you get a good price for it. Market's good. You know, it should be getting a good price. I think market might have dropped a little bit, but overall, the rises that it's had, hopefully you should be selling for much better, right? John Gregory, what's up, my friend? How's it going? Let's do Ada. See what's going on here. Ada, bearish divergence since we called it on the 13th, I think. Yeah, 16th. You know, just moving down. Since that's it. There's really no other way of saying this. It's just going down. Let's think about this one. Now we have some bullish divergence that's developing. That is strong bullish. I'm not sure if it's gonna do its thing or not. And Andrew, how did your you know, Wyckoff accumulation played here? Because I think you were looking for a Wyckoff accumulation pattern. I told you I was not seeing it as such, but I'm not sure if it's played or not, or if it's still in play. Yeah, it's been a while since we talked about it, so yeah. Can I look at Snap? Yeah. Dano Snap, it's cut in half. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, we can look at Snap. Is it a crypto or a stock? Please let me know, though. All right? I think it should be a crypto because of the name. Either way, it'll be better for you. You purchased this house 1 year ago. Wow, congrats, man. Wow, it's going to be awesome. Fact says he made a gallon of maple syrup last month. It's a sweet hobby. It takes forever, man. You have to collect so much sap to boil it down and end up with like a measly amount of syrup. That's crazy, man. Oh, I deleted that by accident. All right, so we have that bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. If we do 33.9, it's going to be the target. Stock, you're selling cover calls, and I love the extra money each week. All right. Nice. All right, yeah, we're going to check it out. We'll go 4 hour here, and then we'll go check it out. I thought it was a crypto because of the name. It was just a weird name. $35 gallons to get one if you tap sugar, man. See, I told you, you have to like reduce it a lot. Yeah, 121. That's crazy. It fell in the spring test. Yeah. Not awesome, but it's good that it's still in play, I guess. Watch out for it. Low high negative, low too high. Here on the short term, there's really nothing bullish. Back here, we might have had something bullish, but you know, it doesn't matter if it's not playing. I haven't seen Kevin in a while. Has anyone heard from, like, Does It Matter? Or Kevin? Send him a message, like, a while back, and he hasn't, like, replied, so I'm not sure. I hope he's okay. Yeah, so we go bullish, that very strong potential function outside, not playing up, right? Yeah, I bet. Just like, I guess it'll be more expensive to put it on the stove, but, you know. Can you let part of it evaporate, you know, naturally over time to concentrate? I'm not sure how like, you know, susceptible maple syrup is to getting contaminated once it's been tapped, but you know, can you not put it like somewhere for it to evaporate? You know, just for it to evaporate, and then you can just boil the last bit, I guess, or once it's half evaporated, just boil the last bit. I'm not sure. But ferment, all right, yeah, I thought something could happen. You could try it, man. Maybe you make a new wine, like some moonshine. I'm kidding. Make some weird like alcohol-based drink there, man. Bullish divergence again. Should be going for that action upside. Not seeing it play. Yellow slime. Is that what it's called? Can you actually drink it? Would it have any kind of content of alcohol? I'm curious because I used to make beer, so I'm curious about how that would ferment. Because I've also made meat before from honey, but you know it's kind of like an inoculous process. You kind of boil it or take it to a certain point. At least for beer, you boil it, but for meat, you kind of heat up the honey a little bit, not a lot, and yeah, you do boil the water though, and then you mix it up and ferment it with you know with a packet of yeast. So yeah, you can make mead, or you can let some natural yeast go in, but you know you kind of want to have yeast have the head start. You can have a mead. All right. Yeah. Jake, what's up, dude? Yeah, how's it going, man? Everyone's doing like weird YouTube emotes, so let's do that. Jake says face red heart shape. All right, that's it for Ada, man. Let's go check out Trophy yellow smiling and orange covering eye. Nice. Let's go look at Snap. Snap. Snap Inc. on the NYSE. All right. Yes, that works. That works. Made meat is amazing, yeah. Alright. Let's get here on the daily. See what's happening. Alright, Snap. It's not at all-time lows, that's a good thing. At all-time lows would have been here on 2019. Yeah, we didn't hit all-time lows. We actually hit I'm just getting ballpark lines. I don't want them too accurate, but we're hitting this low here, right? Not the all-time low, but this low here where we dipped, and that's where we hit and kind of held, right? Maple wine, all right. Purple phase, face purple, white eyes. That's what it actually reads, dude. I'm not lying. Like you'll see it here. Face purple, white eyes. Alright, let's zoom in here, man, because, you know, whatever this is doing, I'm not sure what you want to do, sell, buy, you know, whatever. I'll just look at if there's anything that's working out. There's nothing on the fibs for sure, so that's out of the question. Let's zoom in here. Shorter term fibs, can we do them? Yes, we can, man. Do we have anything doubtful? Yeah, not even 36, so it's not really doing a lot here. Shorter moves, high to low, positive, less positive, high to low. So nothing here that is bearish on Snap. Let's go on the weekly. Again, it's a stock. We should be looking at for something better here. Talking is probably a long base on the Oh, we had looked at this a while back. Interesting. Can't remember when. But we do have a line here where we're looking for divergence apparently on June 22. And look at how bullish Divergence played. Nothing on the weekly, right? It's just holding. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands. Neutral at 50.82. That's it, dude. Really not a lot going on, man. On the weekly, we just had that. On the daily, I'm not seeing anything. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher high. Nothing here that is bearish. The last thing we had here on this movement was bullishness on the 4-hour chart. And again, this for string trading analysis. Again, you would take your position or buy somewhere around this zone, right, and then just hold in order for this to play out. So there we go. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, getting that. Nothing bearish afterwards, right? Not point in going on the 1 hour. Maybe we could go on the 1 hour, but not thinking we're gonna see a lot. When we opened, this wasn't a 1 hour. All we got is a nice impulse up. Starting to get some flag consolidation after market again. Still managed to get that consolidation. Let's look at the pre-market. See how the opening comes. If we do gap down, 20 moving average there to catch us. Otherwise, you know, we could try to bounce from the 20, or we might try to pump back up. We are flagging, so consider that. Took a nice rally here. Again, nothing bearish to suggest action to the downside. All we're getting is just consolidation. Nice flag consolidation here, right? I'm trying to get that. Right, so kind of like that's our flag, right? So, you know, flagging. We're looking for a potential break to the upside, right? I.O. Sing Zoo. You guys can't see it because it's on Twitch. Hi, I want to offer promotion for your channel. Viewers, followers, chatbots. The price is lower than any competitor. The quality is guaranteed to be best. Auto on. Incredibly flexible and convenient. What? That's freaking nuts. Here on the purple platform, we're getting that. Weird. How about stocks lately? No, dude, I just not been trading at all lately. Yeah, I just been trading a lot. I haven't been trading at all lately. I've been more concentrated on getting my projects to produce more and looking back at, you know, going back to office work probably for a little bit. While my projects keep on moving forward, because that restaurant biz is good, but man, it just takes forever to get it going, and rent's been eating me up. So yeah, it's just I'm not longer gonna be at the kitchen, like I said. They're gonna be I'm gonna be moving that to a different way of operating, which is you know, the they're gonna be basically I give them the raw materials, you know, pre-made, and then they just put together the burger and deliver it. That's it. So yeah, I gotta figure out some other cash sources. All that takes off. Finish is taking off. Yes, which is again longer than I was expecting. Much longer than I was expecting. Anyways, yeah, that's that. So what's up? Let me know, guys. What else do you want to see? Ordinal's going crazy. Do you have a ticker for that, Jake? Yo. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Facts. You want a burger or something when you visit? Yeah. When you come visit, yeah, for sure. We can cook out burgers. So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my friend. Yeah, guys, come on. Jake said Ordinal. I'm waiting. Yuga Labs. What's Ordinals, man? Is that like a NFT? Sorry, man. I'm out of the loop there, so I have no clue what we're talking about. It sounds like an NFT. Please let me know, so I know I'm on the same page. I mean, if they're selling, it's probably because they think the top's in, right? I don't think they'll be selling. Oh, they made it actually. Okay, so I get it. They made it. Sorry, never mind. Never mind that last comment. I just caught on to what Jake was saying. He's the same people. I thought those people were selling, and I was like, oh, if they're selling, it's probably because it's near the top. It just sounded like it was doing a lot. So, yeah. You're looking for tweets? Many projects doing ornamental collections. All right, yeah, send something so we can look at it. Alright, Jake's sending a tweet. Let's check it out. Let's open it. Let's see where it leads. Over here on the side, then we'll bring it. The 12-fold auction just concluded, earning a total of 735 Bitcoin. Alright. Highest bidder paying what? Alright. Alright, interesting. How interesting to see that. I'm not joking when I said that. Oh, nice, man. Yep. All right, that's cool. You're gonna get a Bloodhound gang. Fact with the Bloodhound gang. Ordinals were what NFTs should have been this whole time. They embed the data into Bitcoin. All right, cool. Interesting. Like images, HTML, and files, I guess. Yeah. Cool, man. That is good to know. Your deer trackers. No more lost bucks. Yeah, I don't lose any bucks. I don't lose any bucks. Yeah, it says the whole world can only inscribe up to 4 megabytes every 10 minutes. That's so just a small amount. It's cool, I guess. It's how things start, right? But it's just such a small amount of data. Like every 10 minutes, you can do one line of code, I guess. Warren Buffett never lose a buck. yeah, something like that. Something like that, never lose a buck. Nice, man. Alrighty, so yeah, this thing, I guess, it's what's going on, right? Bitcoin block constraints. I know, but it's such a small amount of data to describe. And if that's always gonna be the case, dude, you know, I have photos that weigh more than 4 megabytes. I'm still surprised that we're still at 4,000 subs, considering, you know, how many subs we've been losing every day. 4,190 last I checked, so it's not that bad. Again, if you guys are new to the channel and haven't watched, subscribe, I guess. But I'm not sure we're getting any people. Yeah, it's I haven't been thinking about just changing the channel, man. Overall, maybe I should just change this whole channel to me printing and painting and doing, you know, hard work. I guess maybe that's gonna draw more people in, and then turn it back into a crypto channel once we have like thousands and thousands of people. Yeah. It's just insane, man. The market's not good. It hasn't been there. We got a good rally, you know, from the like 16,000, 17,000 to 25. Taking a rest, but you know, it's just taking forever for it to do actually something. It's not like, yeah, split videos. What do you mean split videos? I'm not sure. Videos of people doing the splits. It's just, you know, it was just crazy how slow it's been. I didn't think last time we were in a bear market, it was more exciting. This time it's just slow, like dead slow. Period. You know, there's really nothing going on. Split video, yeah, but then I think it's like weird because then people don't know what they're gonna get, and then you're not properly cataloged. That's either or. Someone told me about that. I'm not sure though. But apparently, if you do split videos, and then you don't have a clear audience, I guess. another channel of advertising another channel. I also do this here. Yeah, maybe that could work. That could work. Yeah, I'm like trying to figure out what to do. Oh, quick second, guys. Yeah, maybe that could be something like that, where I have one channel and do the other one. One quick second though, right? Be right back. I'm back. Just have isn't that far off. I expect it to be up soon enough. It's just the old runners, I guess. Doldrums. I'm not sure what doldrums are. Buy opportunities, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean it is buying opportunities. I just think that I really just wish the market was looking better overall in general. For crypto and then stocks and everything else. I just find the market is a bit lacking right now, and even for me. Right now, given current circumstances, the peso is strengthening against the dollar. So for me right now to be exposed to dollars is not even optimal. So holding dollars, I lose value, right? So even doing that trading, it's not the best for me. That means I would have had to have a lot of dollars before, and then sell them off to pesos and then buy back in, whenever it's finished dropping. But I can show you the chart right now. There should be like an inverse chart for this, but even if we look at the daily, look at that, right? The peso's been getting levels that it hadn't seen since September 2017, right? So like I said, for me, it's not optimal. Just being exposed to dollars is me losing money. So whatever dollars I have stored there, they've lost value. So I can buy less pesos with them. All right. And that sucks because if I go to an exchange house, I'm gonna get less. So let's see if I can do the inverse for this. What is it? USD MXN. Let's see if we can do that inverse pair. Here we go. See, 17.98. It's been coming down from hitting almost 26 on April of April 2020. All right, look at that. It's hitting prices again that it hadn't since back here, September 2017. So the dollar has been losing a lot of strength against the peso. So like I said, for me, being exposed is not good. And a lot of these crypto pairs trade against dollars. So being dollar the main currency that crypto pairs trade against, even me being exposed to crypto, they have to bump a lot for them to offset whatever the peso is strengthening, right? So I have like a double exposure there. Like crypto might go up, or crypto might go up, but if the dollar depreciates against the peso, I might still be exposed to losing or gaining zero. Which again, ultimately is not cool. That's how things are. That's how markets move, right? Again, should you out all your peso? Yeah. Look, even gold's struggling a bit, right? Below 1,920, but above 1,804, still moving sideways. Not gonna go into detail there. WTI oil still struggling around 80, failing to break much higher again. XAG, so silver, again, same story, right? At 21, which is not good. It should be around 25. 25, it makes sense for a lot of mining projects to be operating. At 21, a lot of projects, at least in Mexico, start to struggle, right? They start to struggle here on so yeah, it's not it's not cool, I guess. Yeah, gold, that's really disappointing. I agree, man. It's just in general, bro. In general, just everything's just been crappy. Yeah, silver too. I know. Peso's holding though. Peso's holding, man. I wonder how the euro is doing. Let's bring this one up. I know the euro took a beating against the dollar, so let's do this one. 0.93. So also the dollar's been going down against the euro, so we're seeing something similar. But when the euro did have a hit, the peso also pumped. But euro's just hitting prices of 2022, which is not like June 22, which is not bad. But the peso, man, is really strengthened a lot. Look at that. Boom. If it keeps on going down, man, might be offloading dollars and maybe start buying dollars for whenever it pumps again. At some point in time, it's going to have to pump again. But we had pretty good, I guess, economic control. The central bank did good controls during COVID and whenever the dollar was doing price hikes, because again, pesos pegged to the dollar in some cases, right? As a currency. So every time that the Fed hiked, the peso, I think also hiked rates, and they were able to offset whatever it was that the dollar was doing to the other currencies, right? Because the other currencies took a sort of beating, right? And the peso did held beautifully. One of my eyes hurt a lot. I'm not sure. Like, feels as though I had some kind of like an eye infection. Although I don't feel like I have an eye infection. It's just weird. Usually one of my eyes has been bugging me lately. Same thing happened to my wife, so I'm not sure. I think my right eye has just been feeling like, it's not dry, it just feels like weird, I guess. Pink eye, yeah. Nah, I don't think it's pink eye. I don't think it'd be the pink eye, man. You be lying to yourself, lad. No pink eye, man. No poop particles have entered my eye, according to that movie with Seth Rogen. Fax is going to bed. Have a good night. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for stopping by, man. Thank you very much for stopping by, good sir. Yeah, I think we're gonna be calling it a stream. I mean, really not a lot else to look at. Markets have been crap. I just want to be here. I want to chat. I want to have fun. Come let you guys know I'm okay. You know, chill for a bit. Talk crypto. Talk markets. Again, not a lot happening. Bullish divergence set up, failing to play out. There's getting some stagnation. Hopefully we get a move soon. There is divergence that should tell us that we could be moving up. Let's see if we can get it. That's it, guys. You know, other than that, there's really nothing else to look at. That's gonna be it for tonight again. I hope you enjoy the content. Hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Link's gone out here, pinned on top of the chat. That's it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for stopping by, man. Facts. Thank you very much for your kind donation, sir. Kindly appreciated. That's it, guys. I'll catch you again soon for another edition of So Crypto. Let's see how we're doing tomorrow. And yeah, catch you again soon for another edition of So Crypto. Till then.